So here's the important part about scalp down brushing. Because of the microstrand, this here is the microstrand that is finished. What I mean by that, it's finished after the hair is applied, all right? First, we make the microstrand, which is not here right now. I'm gonna show you. See that on the other video. But this is the microstrand. I'll flip it over for you. That shows you the microstrand from the inside. But when you flip it this way and you look, it sort of disappears, all right? Now, here's what's important about the microstrand. Remember, the microstrand is a filament as thin as one single human hair. If you were standing in front of me and you looked at one single microstrand, you would say, that's a hair. You would touch it, you would feel it, you would crumble it in your hand to say, that's a hair. It was invented to look and feel and be identical like a hair. But remember what I said in other previous videos, it's 10 times stronger than a hair and it's translucent, meaning you could see through the fiber itself, so that way when it lays down against the scalp, you don't see it. So because it's so soft, it molds to your head as your hair is being blended through, and it allows you to do something that you can't do with anything else. You can scrape the brush straight down into the scalp. Scalp down brushing, from scalp all the way through. So not only can you do that, but you should do that because it's healthy. And remember, hair stranding was invented most of all to be healthy for your existing hair and healthy for your scalp. That's what's most important. So please remember this important principle, scalp down brushing.